just feeding him and he gets super aggressive. Oh! These guys will be great together. The snapping turtles might need their own thing built. 5 bags of Cypress. This is insane, dude. It looks so good. Like, filling up. Oh gosh. We're gonna release all the yellow bellies, a total of 7. Oh my gosh, I got them all. Ow, your nails are so sharp. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be epic. But before we get started with anything, I wanted to give back to y'all. Thank you so much for supporting the channel lately. It has been a crazy last month. I went and just bought this GoPro Hero 8, brand new, the black edition, and I want to give it to one of you watching right now. If you want to win this GoPro Hero 8, just smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment why you want this right here. You want to start your own YouTube channel, whatever it may be, comment down below. And it's actually really hard to get in touch with people through YouTube, so maybe shoot me a DM on Instagram or something like that. It's easier to get a hold of you that way. GoPro Hero 8, if you want to win it, do those 3 simple rules. I cannot wait to give this away to someone. Probably gonna give it like a week. So if you watch the channel consistently, you'll know when I give this away. Smash the like button, subscribe, you'll win a GoPro. Now, let's get on into today's video. What's going on, everyone? Suzanne, how you doing? Look at all my pigs. These are all my kids right here. Eat up. Watch Boots, ready? Watch Boots. I'm gonna put a little right there. A little right there to distract them, and then like that. Yeah, we're gonna just cut that. One big scoop for our big pigs. Here, Daniel, take a bite. No? Here you go, Mango. Oh, jeez! How did I do anything to deserve that? Am I right or wrong? Like, come on. Yeah, tell me, Cuffaro. Yeah. I'm just feeding him. Just feeding him, and he gets super aggressive and mean, dude. She's the best. Sadly, she's got to live with that guy. You know, listen, we all love Mango. Mango's a great pig. He's just a little aggressive. He gets territorial. He doesn't want people near his food. I mean, can you blame him? I mean, if I got food in front of me, I'm gonna, you know? Gary, you want some? There you go, buddy. Kevin! Hey, Kev. What up, Kev? Ready for them all to run? Here we go. Goodbye, buddy. I just need to show this tank and how big and healthy all these corals are. Look at how big they are getting. The mushroom, those were just little pups a couple weeks ago. Now look at that, thriving. It's going up on the glass at this point. What's up, eel? How you doing, bud? The front of the tank looks amazing too. Bubble tip anemone right there, just absolutely massive. And all the little corals and stuff in the front are doing great as well. Look at how big. Tank looks great. I just wanted to let you guys know because I have lacked on filming that tank for some reason. An Albino Red Ear Slider. Think about it, I just bought one of these things that was the size of this thing's foot for $200. This thing's probably worth like 1,200 bucks. We're gonna be keeping it in here, along with 2 others. Oh my God, did you see that? That snapping turtle ain't happy with me right now. 2 more. We have our 3 albinos that are staying in here. Both these have nasty water. It's about time they get some fresh water, clean water, filtered water. Today is gonna be epic. They're going to have the nicest house around town. So that brings me to the point what today's video is about. We're taking the turtles out of both of these tubs. We're gonna put them into one. Look how big our little yellow bellies got. Little, they ain't so little anymore. They're like the size of my hand. Oh, he almost got my finger. You're gonna go over here and wait for me. I'm trying to find, there he is. Hey, buddy. But it's time for all these guys to get new homes. Today's gonna be a very adventurous, very long, and very fun video. Dude, it has gotten so big. I have had this thing since it was a little baby, and look how big it is. That thing is so big now. Yeah. Snapping turtles, albinos, and we have the African side neck in here with the yellow bellies for now. Now keep in mind, we might need to create something totally different for the snapping turtles because these albino turtles and these yellow bellies could easily live together. But the second you put those snapping turtles in, snapping turtles will most likely legitimately eat this entire thing. Like they'll eat the head off. They're nothing to mess around with. These guys will be great together. The snapping turtles might need their own thing built, and that could be really cool. There we go, fellas. An empty tub. Took a lot of work, but it's empty. That's all that matters. My yard's a bit of a mess. So are my shoes. Should have bought a bigger truck. We're good. That's gonna fit. That'll fit. Okay, I think she's good. Nope. Yep. truck is loaded up. We got the turtles up there and more turtles down there. All the excessive stuff right there. But yeah, we strapped her down. She's good to go. It's time. Now let the projects begin. All right, we're gonna start off with the 2 snapping turtles. We are inside the fish room. We're putting the turtles in the 1,000 gallon for tonight until tomorrow morning, where we're actually gonna get everything done. So this is pretty risky. Don't worry about me, bud. Don't worry about me. Ah, 1,000 gallon pond. It'd be kind of cool if this was his permanent house. Oh, look at him go. Big old snapping turtle. Now you gotta keep in mind, this is literally just till tomorrow morning. So we're also gonna get our 3 albinos out of here. And get those guys in as well. There you go, baby. Well, let's hope the snapping turtles don't bite a hole in my liner. See you in the morning. It is the next morning and this somehow fit. Hector actually built this the other day. I filmed a little bit of that. He absolutely killed this, and somehow it worked out perfectly. Now, let me just let you know, I never measured this. You might be asking yourself, why the heck would you build an overhang that is concreted in the floor without measuring how big the turtle pond is first? Things Paul does is sometimes you question everything. I didn't measure it, and somehow it fits absolutely perfectly. I have this little thing, I'm gonna put all the turtle pellets in here, right here. Filter, tubing for the filter, some hose clamps, electrical tape, and a waterfall. I'm gonna do a waterfall into the pond this time. I thought for a change I'll switch it up instead of just like a basic tube just pushing in water. All right, now I gotta figure out how to open this. So once I do all the landscape, this is actually gonna go like right here, and it'll be a nice waterfall or somewhere in there. We have all the stuff we need to do this project here. All of our plants, we have our soil that will go under our mulch. This already has a little bit of mulch, but we literally pressure washed this last night. Like pressure washed the entire thing. So it's as clean as it's ever been right now. Now this project requires a good amount of work. I mean, you need the turtle tub. You really don't need the overhang, but just to prevent a lot less algae growth, we built that. Filtration, waterfall, soil, mulch. These look pretty good, huh? Nice and bushy. Now we're talking. I can get as many of these in my parents' backyard as I possibly could ever imagine getting. But I'm gonna spend money anyway, so let's do it. Gonna give them plenty of coverage, so we'll go with one of these ferns as well. 100% Cypress mulch. This is what you want when it comes to tortoises, turtles, stuff like that. 100% Cypress. We're gonna get a lot of bags of this. 5 bags of Cypress, a couple bags of garden soil, and then a bunch of plants right here. Luckily, Florida wants to be amazing today and have a nice cool breeze. It's only about 80 degrees. That's just an absolute miracle. So we got a perfect day to be outside. Without further ado, let's do this. It's about time we just get started. Let's get right on into it. We're gonna do another layer of mulch. And by the way, when we're working with turtles and tortoises and stuff, in this case, just aquatic turtles, but we wanna use stuff that doesn't have dye in it. So like a black mulch and a brown mulch typically have a dye that could actually harm the turtles. Cypress mulch is the way you wanna go. By the way, down here all has drainage. So if it rains or the water gets in here, it could drain out. It's a really cool, fast and easy project as long as you have the tub. The tub is like the hardest thing to get. Well, here we have it. This is what the tub is looking like so far. It's a big old tub. We have layers of mulch at the bottom. Now soil. We still have one more thing of soil that'll go after we put all these plants down where we want them. It's gonna be a very planted area. The goal is to have it where those turtles can make their own paths through. We also didn't have this last time, which soil is what they're gonna be putting all the eggs in. I am like 99% sure we're gonna have baby turtles now that we've actually done this the correct way. We are right now gonna do plants. Landscape time. Everyone loves some landscape. We also bought way too much mulch.
Way too much. Did you think you were mulching?
I don't know, dude. A house or something? I thought it was way bigger than this.
Yeah. Fern.
Nice little fern. Tuck that away in the corner right here. Something like that. How you doing?
Oh yeah.
That looks nice. It looks like a bunch of plants are just piled in here, but these are all gonna get really big, so we're gonna remove one of these. What do you think? Which one do we remove?
No, leave the fern. I think Monstera should go in the house. or we put it in the ground somewhere.
It's gonna get so big,
and
dude.
This will look so good in the house.
And that thing needs a lot of sun.
Oh, let's get rid of that one.
I think Tay would like this in the house too.
Yeah, she probably would. Oh, I think it's huge, bro.
It's just gonna get bigger.
Happy wife, happy life.
Wife? What are you,
Dun, dun.
crazy? Here we are. This is exactly what we're working with. As you can see, it is beautifully landscaped here. I mean, just stunning. Looks good. I just wanted to update you guys. This fern is gonna get nice and big. Goey Pro has been rolling up there, so here's another time lapse of us doing mulch. And I think we're gonna do the hide and everything right now too. Oh, that spot is so dope. Look at that hide. They have that big spot to go in there. They can also go up in there. We're gonna do nice rocks over that waterfall too, by the way. So you're not gonna see, you're just gonna see water coming out of rocks. This is insane, dude. It looks so good, like so good. Without the rock around the filter. Logan has got the rockies. It's time to get our filter put together, just a little bit at least. You wanna bury this a little bit? There you go. It's time. We got our rocks now, actually from the farmhouse. Perfecto. That looks a lot better than it did, that's for sure. Now water's just gonna literally be appearing out of that. And if you remember, a couple videos ago I bought this just because I knew I was gonna need it eventually. This is waterfall foam. There it comes. Look at, look at, look at, there it is. All right, we wanna make it to where we want it first. It ain't going nowhere. And after I spray it, it'll actually expand. So once this foam dries, as you can see it through every little crack, we're gonna put a little bit of gravel up in all this. It looks like a ball of rock though, but it's gonna have water flowing out of here. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below if you like it or not. I think it's one of the coolest things I've done here on the channel. Every time I'm doing projects, I've been trying to one-up that other project. That's my goal every single day and every single video. I'm trying to one-up my old projects, learn from my mistakes, and make them even better.
Sharp knife.
Yeah, that is. Oh my gosh. This filter actually has a UV attached to the back of it. It's the same exact one that we have running in the indoor turtle pond right here. If I put the camera back here, it's right down there, and it is flowing this pond. By the way, everything is doing so amazing. You can see our little albinos. These guys are hanging up here. Lots of fish, snapping turtle. These turtles, which you guys don't know about those. You'll have to wait till the next video to see those guys. But listen, everything's going well around here. We have all our yellow bellies over here, which are all gonna be going into here, along with the albinos. The snapping turtles, we're gonna keep in the 1,000 gallon for now because they're being very aggressive, they're growing, and we need to make them their own pond. Like they're totally their own pond, which is another fun, amazing project for us here on the channel. Chadwick is setting the filter up just like we did last time. We learned from our mistakes, literally. Yep. I mean, last time we set this up like 4 times before we figured out the right way where to put the gaskets to where it wasn't gonna leak. Finally figured it out. Now we're good. Now we know. By the way, these filters are killer. They're doing great for me. And they have a little UV here that's super easy to replace. So no complaints if you guys do want to check them out. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I like to promote good products. Give credit where credit's due, right, Logan?
Si, senor.
The filter is going to be tucked away in the back here, which will prevent us from seeing it from this angle. This just looks so good, dude. It looks amazing. So instead of having just this hose going in and pushing in the water, we have this nice, beautiful waterfall that'll be pumping out water. So the pump is now installed. I actually have zip ties to keep the wire with the pump tube, and then it goes back here. It goes under the mulch, and this piece of wood buries all of the tubing. The wire for the pump comes out here. You don't even notice it. And that tube keeps going under everything in the back over there and pops up over there, which we're gonna get a clamp for the corner. Yes, sir! Hey! Killer, killer. And I can't wait to see the water flow out of this. That's gonna look amazing. Hey, there's a waterfall in there. That's cool. Filling up! Oh gosh. The pond is fully filled with water. As you can see, it's dechlorinated. We are good to go. And look at that above. We just watered everything, so it's all looking nice and juicy. It's time to go in this thing and get all the yellow bellies out. There's 3. We're gonna release all the yellow bellies, a total of 7 right now. Here we go. Here they go. All 7 of our yellow bellies. Now we still have our albinos to put in, but all 7 of our yellow bellies are now in. Right behind this wall though is all the albinos. All right, I see all three of them right here. This would be an ideal situation. Oh my gosh, I got them all. I got them all.
Dude, they're huge.
They're massive. Oh my god. Let's go. We're gonna start with our most aggressive little guy. Look at him, he's mad. This is an Albino Red Ear Slider. First one going in. Oh yeah, and you could really see them. Second one, right now. Ow, your nails are so sharp. Oh my goodness. He needs a good scrubbing, yeah, you're right. But there's the third one, our big female. This is the one that's probably gonna be laying eggs here in this mulch once they do discover up there. Dude, they're so dope, bro. You could see the white ones too.
Yeah.
Like all over the place.
If you cleaned them, oh my god, they'd be so white.
Now all these turtles are gonna get bigger, so we do not want to get any more turtles for this pond just due to the fact that they're gonna grow. Look at them all in this, just all in this shot. There's so many, I love it. Wait till they get comfortable and they start exploring up here. Now I have an African side neck turtle and he's gotta be in the, yep, there he is. In the mulch. He's not a big fan of the water too much unless he's trying to eat, so he's gonna go in there and he has paradise to live in now. Now that we've done all this, the landscape, the turtles are in, I'm gonna plug the filter in, so watch that waterfall. Bruh. Not as strong as the pump I thought it was gonna be, so it's not really pushing out of there too much, but it's good enough. Every hour this pond will probably turn over twice, and what I mean by that is all the water will flip twice. So it'll clean this pond 2 times the water amount every single hour. It came out absolutely amazing, and I do want to upgrade this pump right here. Well, that's the pump right there, and it'll be flowing more out of that. So we'll probably do that in one of the zip line videos. The turtles are definitely stoked. They are happy to have this big old new home. Update on Mama Pig here in the backyard. We have all her babies. They're getting big, that's for sure. Look at them walk away. Where you going? And I still need to name the pigs or go through the comments on the pig birth video. So thank you all so much again for always supporting and watching. If you do want to win the GoPro Hero 8 Black, all you gotta do is like the video, subscribe, and again, comment down below why you want it. So don't miss out on this. I appreciate you for watching, and I will see you right back here in the next video. Peace.